Here's another project that I've recently revived and protected. It's our old Mini Cooper. We purchased a second-hand Countryman a couple of years ago here in Spain. And as you can see, the black plastic trims around all four wheel arches, along with the lower body trims on the front, back and side of the car, have totally lost their original deep dark black colour. This car's never been kept in a garage. It's been exposed to the Mediterranean elements since it was first registered in 2020. 6 years on, almost all of the visible black plastic trims have gone lighter and lighter over the years, becoming a ghostly whitish grey colour. However, watch closely how I transform them once black trims back to life in a matter of minutes with very little effort, using 3C's Revive and Protect Surface Sealer. Start by giving your car a good clean. It's surprising just how much dirt and grime clings to the surface over time, even with very little use, whatever the weather. After hosing it down, Laura continued to give the car a good scrub with a bucket of hot soapy water and a sponge, in an attempt to remove the ground-in dirt and grime. Then when it's completely dry, get your bottle of 3C's Revive and Protect Surface Sealer. Give your bottle a good shake, remove the lid, then you can start to apply the solution to the surface using a clean dry cloth. A sponge or even a paintbrush will help you spread it evenly across the areas that need reviving. You only need to apply a very small amount of the solution directly onto the affected areas. Slowly buffing it into the surface, you'll find a little goes a long way. Then before you know it, it's already enhancing the aesthetics with an instant result, reviving the natural colour whilst providing long-lasting protection along with maintaining the original surface texture. There's countless different porous and non-porous materials that 3C's Revive and Protect Surface Sealer can be used on, both indoors and outdoors. It's a dual-action, solvent-free, concentrated formula. Advanced silicone based, that's a 2-in-1 solution ready to use. It's usable on horizontals and verticals. Works well with most materials like plastics, metal, stone, worktops, slate, hard and softwood furniture, UPVC windows and doors, leather boots, concrete plants, facades. Well, the list really is endless. In fact, why don't you check out one of my other videos where I tested it on many substrates. 1 or 2 layers can be applied, then wiped off within 15 minutes, restoring most substrates to their natural beauty. For more information on the vast range of 3C products, please visit their website. Or if you need more inspiration and tips from our how-to videos, don't forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel and on all of our social media handles. Don't forget, you can now purchase 3C's products directly from Sealants Online, Amazon and eBay.